children, today we are going to continue the topic force. In force, we discuss the topic types of force. Force can be classified into two main types: contact force and non-contact. What is the contact force? The contact force are the force which act only when objects are in physical contact with each other and bring about some changes. Okay, this is known as the contact force. It means some force act on a bodies only when they are come in contact. Example of contact force are muscular force and frictional force. Muscular force, the force applied by the muscles of our body is known as the muscular force. For example, suppose if we want to lift a school bag or kick a football, we apply force. Or a horse uses muscular force to pull a cart. Now, second one, frictional force. Suppose if we roll a ball on an open ground, it moves for a while, slow down and then stop. Although we have not applied any force on it, the ball must have experienced an external force that opposed its motion. This force is known as the friction. So we can say when two surfaces slide over each other, the force which opposes the motion of one body over the other is called as a force of friction or frictional force. We can understand frictional force by some other example. Suppose we throw two similar rubber balls with equal force, one of a rough road and the other on the smooth cemented floor. The rubber ball on the rough road stops earlier than the one on the smooth floor. Thus, the opposing force of friction is greater on the rough road. So we can say in rough surface, the frictional force is more than the smooth surface. In types of force, second type of force is non-contact force. It is also known as action at a distance force. In this force, some forces do not involve physical contact between two bodies on which they act. They act through the space between them. Such forces are called action at a distance force or non-contact force. Gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force are the example of non-contact force. Now discuss the gravitational force. All objects in the universe attract to each other with a force called gravitational force. This force is not visible because it is not strong enough to attract the nearby object toward us. However, the gravitational force exerted by the earth is very strong. This force attracts all objects on the earth towards its center. That is why all objects on the earth stay on the ground. Gravitational force can be understood by some examples like if we drop a stone from the roof of our house, it begins to move and falls down. The downwards movement of body is due to the force of attraction which is earth exert on it. The force of attraction exerted by the earth on all objects is called the force of gravity or gravitational force. Due to this gravitational force, the sun keeps the planet in their orbits. It is the gravitational force of the earth which keeps the moon in its orbit. It is the gravitational force of the moon which causes the tides in the oceans. Now second is magnetic force. Magnetic force of the attraction between the magnet and the metal is known as the magnetic force. If we bring a magnet near an iron pin, they are pulled towards the magnet. It is the magnetic force of the magnet which exerts a pull on an object made up of iron. A magnet not only attracts iron object, It also attract and repel other magnets. Third type of non-contact force is electrostatic force. Children, in universe, all objects have two types of electrical charges, positive charges and negative charges. Normally, these charges are equal in number, so an object appears to be electrically neutral. However, due to various reasons, when an object has more negative charges than the positive charges, it becomes negative charge. Similarly, an object with more positive charges than the negative charges become positively charged. Now, object that have opposite charges means one object is positive charge and another is negative attract to each other, while object that have similar charges means both are positive or both are negative object repel each other. Means opposite charges attract to each other and similar charges are repelled to each other. Children, now we will discuss that how any object will get charged. This can be understood by the simple activity which can do easily at home. Take a plastic ruler or plastic comb was electrically neutral before rubbing, but when it was rubbed against dry hair, some of the negative charges from the hair got transferred to the ruler. As a result of these extra negative charges, the ruler became negatively charged. When the charged ruler was brought near the uncharged bit of paper, it attracts the opposite charges on the paper piece towards it. This made the paper piece move up and stick to the ruler. We can say the force exerted by the charged body means ruler on another charged or uncharged body means bit of paper is known as the electrostatic force. Again, children, the force exerted by the charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as the electrostatic force.